Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. I am Injin Cadetsuelio, and on behalf of my team, I will report and present our social certification. So, I will explain the social certification system in pre-colonial Philippine society shown in this triangle. The four classes are the Datu, Maharlika, Timawa, and Dalipin. Each class had its own role, status, and level of power. So now let's talk about the Datu. So it's a top. So the Datus are part of the 1% elite, the ruler or chief of the barangay. He was responsible for leading the community. So this is composed of higher authorities and making laws, collecting tributes, and protecting the people. So the Datu held the highest power, similar to the national leaders of today. Next is we have the Maharlika. So it's below the Datu. So it's this class is composed of the noble warrior classes. They did not pay taxes but served in the Datu battles. They enjoyed privileges and owned lands and had political influence. This class is similar to today's powerful political families or high-ranking officials. So the next is we have the Timawa. So the Timawa, so this below the Maharlika. So this is a free class made up of farmers, traders, fishermen, and skilled workers. They paid tribute to the Datu in exchange for protection. They represent the middle class in modern society as of today. So this is composed of such as professional workers like teachers, workers, OFWs, farmers, etc. And then lastly, we have the Alipin or the dependent class. It is in the bottom of our triangle. These people or the people that belong to this class is these are who serve others due to depth of poverty. Some work in household or farms, while others had very limited freedom. They are similar to today's poorest sectors who struggle for basic needs. And in conclusion, so this triangle shows how people were ranked in society based on power or resource. The Datu ruled, the Maharlika supported, the Timawa sustained the economy, and the Alipin provided labor. This system reflects how social class shaped people's role and life opportunities. That's all, sir. Thank you.